Grade 3. Are you ready? Concept battle is here. Stay tuned. Our learning goal. We are here today to generalize our understanding of rocks and minerals. Here we go. Yes, this looks familiar to animal life cycle, so you are going to rock this. When talking about rocks and minerals, all these concepts are equally important. Rocks, minerals, the entire rock cycle, soil and erosion. Write them out on cards, pieces of paper, sticky notes, take something, fold it up. You know how this goes. So, what do you think? Erosion, soil, rock cycle. What is most important? Write these concepts out on cards, whatever you have. Consider if you agree or disagree. Share your thinking in order of importance. You could hang them up, put them on the wall, just show them. And class, you'll be sharing it on Flipgrid. Classmates will then respond to you with, I agree with you because, I disagree with you because, or, for example, the expectation is that you, though, reply to 3 friends. Select someone that doesn't have a lot of replies. I am going to leave you an example of what we did for the animal life cycle. Don't go posting about animals. I know you're experts on that. I want you to think. What is most important? Rocks, is the concept of rocks most important? Minerals, soil, erosion, or the rock cycle? I'll give you what I think. I think minerals are the most important because minerals make rocks, are part of rocks. Therefore, we have the rock cycle. The rock cycle means that erosion can take place, and erosion takes place, causing soil, which we need to live. So that's what I think. You may agree or disagree. All right, let's battle.